how I obtain my ideal size for my blankets is that my secret sauce is my Needle Master kit. I have all these different cable sizes that I have purchased, and they are varying sizes. I can't read them now. The one with the loop is the biggest one, and I don't see it.
21 inch.
See,
you get 16
these
inch,
are very short,
all the way down to 12 inches.
Right, and I have these little needle points right now. This is mega size, and I have, it's already big. I don't know what size that is. It's probably 30, 24.
And so you can then connect these together, right? And
I can make it longer if I wanted.
As long as you want.
Usually 2 is enough. Even if I had the 21 inch, chances are that'd be big enough for a baby blanket. You know, you would just need the one. Wouldn't have to have it together. But if you had the 21 and the 12, say, is this a 12? Boy, that's puny, isn't it? That'd be the 36 almost.
Let's keep them in the stacks.
Okay, let's keep them separated. Keep it separated. Okay.
And these little guys come off, right? So
These,
you can switch those off?
These little needles, these are big ones. The points come off. This stays on so that this one can go right on there.
Great.
And we go from 15, I think it's 7.
6?
7, 6.
Yeah, something like that.
We'll find out because I have a needle sizer up there somewhere. Okay.
Let's open that.
And this
Let's
is,
check that out.
as you can see, I have a lot of things on my needles already.
I think I cheated it open already.
Points. Right now, these are the empty ones. They're already being utilized. And you think, well, wait a minute. How come these are here? The reason being, I have another set upstairs. This one was my mother's. Hers looks nicer. That's why we're showing it. Mine is really old. I've had since high school. So, you know, 50, 70, so how many plus years? How long? 50 plus years.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
So with this kit, you can adjust the size of the needle and the length of your cord.
And these
as needed.
They're supposed to be, it's really cool.
That's great.
Like I said, I've used it since high school. Not this one, but mine.
Great.
Uh-huh.